Tesla has finally begun manufacturing solar roof tiles. Tesla has apparently begun manufacturing solar roof tiles at its Buffalo, New York, factory, according to sources. The company is also starting the process of surveying the homes of people who placed a deposit on the tiles last year for installation purpose. Pre-orders for the solar roof tiles began back in May. Customers paid $1,000 as a deposit on the product, and U.S. installation was supposed to start in the summer of 2017. However, unsurprisingly, the process was delayed. But now most of the problem have been worked out, and the roofs will be installed in coming months. Tesla claims that the solar roof tiles will cost less than a typical roof, around $21.85 per square foot instead of $24.50. The tiles are a solid option if you're planning on replacing your roof in the next few years, or if you're considering solar panels. The tiles look like regular shingles. In fact, not every shingle installed is solar, though you can't distinguish between the two. You can customize what percentage of your roof tiles are solar in their online tool. The max is 70%. Obviously, the more solar panels you install, the more expensive your roof is. The company is still taking pre-orders with $1,000 deposits.